Ma'am, I want to become an entertainment journalist. I want to take celebrity interviews. So, guys, a lot of you have sent me this question that you want to become an entertainment journalist, and like Rajiv Masan, want to go and take their interviews. अब वो हिंदी में English में anything is fine. And you know what is the interesting part that some of you have written, ma'am, I want to become journalist, but not like that. People who are shouting politics नहीं करना है. I just want to do entertainment. What I have to do for that? To enter into media and entertainment, which course is good? So guys, in this video, I'm gonna answer these questions that for becoming an entertainment reporter, which course is the best and what you can do right now if you are a media student already. Hi guys, this is Pooja Gupta. Welcome to Media Mentor. Today is Saturday and yes, this is a Q&A vlog. सो गाइज इफ यू वांट टू बिकम एन एंटरटेनमेंट जर्नलिस्ट, अगर आपको सिर्फ एंटरटेनमेंट रिपोर्टर बनना है एंड यू आर नॉट इंटरेस्टेड इन एनी अदर जर्नलिस्ट, द बेसिक थिंग यू हैव टू डू इज कि आपको बेसिक जर्नलिज्म कोर्स करना पड़ेगा, विच इज योर अंडर ग्रेजुएट कोर्स, जो कि कॉमन होता है जर्नलिज्म के लिए. Then whether it's BMMC, whether it's BA in journalism or BJMC. And if you're somebody जो already BA में है या फिर BCom कर रहा है, any other thing that you guys are doing and still you want to become an entertainment journalist, उनके लिए let me tell you what are the options that you can do your masters in journalism. Okay. Now coming to the people who are already a BMM, BJMC or a BA in journalism student, उनके लिए क्या options है? Guys, there is nothing extra that you can learn from any other course कि आपको entertainment के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा अलग से. What you can learn is on field. Or those who have completed your BMM and now want to do an advanced course, let me tell you guys, there are a lot of PG diplomas available. So if you have studied already BMM, okay, और BJMC, अगर आप डिप्लोमा इन एंटरटेनमेंट जर्नलिज्म करते हो, which is lot of courses are available in Delhi and Mumbai, but you will not learn anything out of the blue. It is an 11th month program, most of them are offering you. उसमें आपको एक्स्ट्रा कुछ नहीं सिखाएंगे, बेसिक जर्नलिज्म ही सिखाने वाला है. But yes, they will give you a deeper knowledge about what goes on in entertainment, because entertainment just fun nahi hai. There's a lot of things that you need to know about television, about movies, about directors, writers, even कि actors का पूरा background आपको पता होना चाहिए. So ये deep knowledge के लिए obviously that is a better option. But वो जो diploma है वो better है if you have not studied journalism. Now if you are studying or you want to opt for or already about to complete your BMM, for them guys, please do internship. Okay, how you get it is, अभी आप directly celebrity का interview नहीं ले पाओगे. It's next to impossible that anybody will give you an opportunity to go sit with celebrity and take the interview. I'll tell you why. Because see, जो celebrity interviews ले रहे हैं ना, वो few faces है जो हम जानते हैं, right? So whether you watch Pink Villa, whether you watch, I'm talking about websites. So if you talk about television, उसमें भी if you talk about Zoom channel, you talk about people like individual Rajiv Masan या अनुपमा चोपड़ा, ये लोग certain faces ही थे जो लोग जानते थे, and they stick around for a longer period of time. So अगर एक नया बंदा आता है और उसको एंकर बनना है, first of all he will take a lot of time on field कि actors तुम्हें पहचाने, and then the company give you an opportunity to do a one-on-one interview with the celebrity. So आप कैसे करोगे? Like पहले ही एंकर तो नहीं बनोगे. So you have to start with the smaller companies. जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल आप न्यूज चैनल में भी शुरू कर सकते हो जहाँ पे आपको बाइट्स लेने मिलेगा, लाइक एज अ रिपोर्टर आई गो एंड टेक अ बाइट, जहाँ पे मैं नहीं दिखाई दूंगी, लाइक इट्स नॉट अ वन ऑन वन इंटरव्यू, बट आई एम गोइंग एंड आस्किंग कि अरे आपकी मूवी रिलीज होने वाली है, व्हाट आर द एक्सपेक्टेशंस एंड स्टफ लाइक दैट. सो गाइस, द सजेशन वुड बी दैट स्टार्ट विद द स्मॉलर फॉर्म, विच इज यूट्यूब चैनल्स है, वेब पोर्टल्स है, बिकॉज दे विल गिव यू मोर एक्सपोजर. एटलीस्ट यू विल अंडरस्टैंड द वर्किंग मैकेनिज्म that how a entertainment portal works, कि आपको किस तरीके का काम करना पड़ता है, what are these interviews for, question framing. There are a lot of again I call it dirty jobs, because फोटोज निकालो, सेलिब्रिटीज को फॉलो करो, उन्होंने क्या ट्वीट किया है, क्या स्टोरी डाला है, उस पर स्टोरी बनाओ. बट अनलेस एंड अनटिल यू विल नॉट वर्क, you will not understand. So you will have to go through all of these. So I would suggest some names, which is like Bollywood News Hub, Bollywood Bubble, Pink Villa. Please apply to this. So if you don't get in Pink Villa and Miss Malini, then forget about it, because obviously they'll be little choosy about the things because they are already established. But I will write down in the description box few of the startup companies, those who have just now started and they need more and more intern. Please go and work with them, because abhi work from home hi karna hai and they are internet medium. So what happens is, if you provide your X factor, like if something that you suggest to that particular website and it booms or it becomes viral, then boss tumhari nikal padi. So why don't you try that? If you want to get into entertainment right now, website medium or say online medium is the best thing. Later on you can venture out for radio, you can venture out for broadcast, you can venture out for whatever independent journalist as well if you want. So in coming future, I will make the story of how this particular, like if you talk about Anupama Chopra and Rajesh Masand, how they managed to make their own individual identity in this particular sector. For as of now, I hope I have answered your question that if you want to become an entertainment journalist, guys, please start doing internship. Don't invest unnecessary money on entertainment journalism, because aisa kuch bhi nahi hota. If you have a base knowledge of journalism, you can still make it big in the entertainment industry. Thanks for watching, guys, and stay tuned for such informative videos on Media Mentor. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.